think here tonight. What's up, everybody? Certified one box ChatterDrop. We are full dice roll. We're going 5 and 4, 9 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 5 and 4 is 9 there. We went 9 right here. Detroit Lions up top. Buffalo Bills at the bottom. Again, all 3 breaks on the screen are full. 9 times now to your teams. 1, or names 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Cody up top. Ibby at the bottom. Sort them out alphabetically. They did all sort. We print and we rip, guys. Good luck. Certified one boxer ChatterDrop. Gold standard 2 box goes next. That's $39.52 and it's full. You got anything moving over there? What do you say about the schedule?
I haven't. I haven't asked him.
Need to figure that out before you leave. We all do, whatever.
I don't know. This week, I left him this week. He'll be here the next day. I come back is Wednesday, and then he'll work Thursday, I believe, and then I'm here this week.
Good luck, guys. Good luck. Pieces of the game. Damian Pierce to 199. Excuse me. Houston and Timmy B. Travis Kelce, 16 out of 75. Herbie. To 349, Mark Andrews, Ravens. Immortals, Jack Ham. Freshman Fabric, 5 out of 25. Jackson Smith and Jigba. Nice one there, Seattle. And Spencer. There you go, Spencer. We'll tell you that. $249 DK Metcalf, Seattle. Darnell Washington, 8 out of 10, Steelers. Kid Reporter, calling cards of Dalvin Cook. To 275, Rashee Rice, Chiefs. Gold team of Sauce. Jalen Carter to 149, Eagles. Certified Stars, Scary Terry, 349 Dorian Thompson Robinson, Cleveland. Timmy B. Last little stack. Gold team of Saquon, Sam Laporta to 399. Bijan Robinson, certified stars for the Falcons to 99. Darius Davis. Chargers. That's the break, guys. We'll recap it. Again, gold standard 2-box will go next. Then we'll catch up the pulls and I'll drop another deal for you guys. So be ready. Be ready, be ready. Rashee Rice, Carter, Laporta, Bijan, Davis, Thompson, Robinson, Kelsey, Andrews, DK Metcalf, Washington. The nice one here, Jackson Smith to 25. And Damian Pierce. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Take that box back there and set it on that, like the shipping thing. And grab me another one of these empty boxes if you would.
I'm not working.
Looks like if you're here, you're
I'm
working.
sweating.